Christine from the Gospel Method, and in this video we're going to take a sneak peek into Book 2, which hasn't been released yet, and learn a song in the key of D. Now, I am going to put this page on the website as a free download, but this is an excerpt from our new book, Playing in All 12 Keys, where you learn how to play all 12 keys, and also the Nashville number system. So before we get started, let's take a look at the chorus with all the colors put in so that you can see what the whole thing's going to sound like, and then we're going to break it down, starting with the right hand, and then I'm going to show you what all these colors do. So this is a really classic hymn. It goes like this. Just over in the glory land, I'll join the happy angel band. Just over in the glory land, just over in the glory land, there with the mighty host I'll stand. Just over in the glory land. So, key of D. There is a D major scale, but I don't want to focus too much on that for this video. I want you to focus on the D major family. So there's a family of chords that happen in 99% of songs in D major. So we're going to go over that. That's going to make you be able to play quickly in any song in D. So D major is our home. So D, F sharp, and A is D major. You can see on verse 1 and on the chorus it starts with D. Okay, and every time we play D major in this video, we're going to play it just like this, root position, with D on the bottom here. Another chord that we can see in our song is right here, our A chord right here. And our A chord, we're going to play it like this. So C sharp, E, and A. And again, in the book, it's going to have visual pictures so you can see these, but I'm just going to say them out so you can write them down. A major is like this. Okay, and then back to D. And then we have A over C sharp down here. Okay, right here, this slash chord. And you're going to play it the same. So A still stays the same, and our left hand is just going to play that C sharp instead. Like that. Okay. And then we have B minor. We're going to play it like this. D, F sharp, and B. Alright, so that's B minor in the family. So you can see it's really easy to get there. D, B minor, right? You don't have to move very much at all, just that one finger. And then if we look over in our chorus, let's just see if there's any other chords. We have D, D, we know that already. G. So we're in D, this is our home. G is going to be like this. D, G, and B. D, G, D, G. Okay, like that. Then we go back to D, we have B minor. Then we have E major. Okay, now even though E major isn't actually supposed to be in the key of D, that's okay. We can still figure it out. Follow our formula. E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's how we make any major chord. Just count up 4 and 3. And we're going to end up with E, G sharp, and B. Like that, with E on the root. Okay, and then back to A, like that. So that's all the chords in this song. Now you can see there's some colors. That's going to give us our left hand, and we're going to be adding in some walk-ups and walk-downs. But let's go through the right hand first, and we're going to go through what it sounds like with the family. So I'm going to start with verse 1. We're just going to play it steady, no colors, just playing the chords. I've a home prepared where the saints abide, just over in the glory land, and I long to be by my Savior's side, just over in the glory land. Go to your chorus. Just over in the glory land, I'll join the happy angel band. Just over in the glory land, just over in the glory land, there with the mighty host I'll stand. Just over in the glory land. So that gives you an idea of the right hand chords with, of course, you can slow-mo it and go as slow as you need to. But now I want to look at these colors. Now in our book, we have yellow and orange is the colors that we chose just to make it really obvious. Yellow means walk up and orange means walk down. So when you Google songs like this, chord chart for blah, 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 it's not going to have any slashes and it's not going to have any walk-ups and walk-downs. So in the book, we show you what those are and how to count them out, okay? So you can add them into your own songs too. We'll teach you, where they come from and where you can put them. But there's a really easy trick to make it. So let's start with, on this chorus here, we have a walk up. So we're going to start with D. It starts with D. And the rule is you just skip one, play all the rest. So we're going to skip this E flat. We're not going to play that. And we're going to play all the rest. So we're going to go up to E, F, F sharp. Okay, so since this is a fast song, it's in 4/4 time, we're going to play 4 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and our left hand is going to play these letters, and our right hand is going to stay the same, D, 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 D. So it looks like this, D, E, F, F sharp, and that makes it a little more exciting. So just over in the glory land, I'll join. Gives you some rhythm on the left hand, gives a little bit of change in harmony. All right, the same thing works for the walk down. So if I have this G walk down, I play my G, skip the first one, play the rest. So I'm going to skip F sharp, I'm going to play F, E, and E flat, or you call it D sharp, whatever you want. Okay, and so on this G, this orange G, we're going to go like this. G, F, E, E flat. Join the happy angel band. All right. Then if we keep going, we'll see this E major, which only has 2 beats. So we'll talk about how to do that, but let's figure out our letters first. So play E, skip the first one, play the rest. So I'm going to skip my F. I'm going to play F sharp. I'm going to play G. I'm going to play G sharp. Oops. There we go. Now, since we only have 2 beats there, I'm going to just move this up a little bit. What we're going to do is our right hand is going to play 2 sounds every time we have 1 beat. So this E and F are going to go, E and F sharp are going to go on that E, and then this slash is going to play these 2. Okay? So it's going to be like this. E, E, slash, E, slash. So my left hand is moving a little bit quicker than my right hand. E, slash. So, B minor, play that in the right inversion, B minor, E, slash, A. Okay, so it's a little quick, but you can get it. And then we have the D major again, that's the same. G major again, that's the same. And then we have this nice one, A at the bottom. It's going to make it a little bit easier for us to see, so I'm going to write this one. So A, skip the first one, go to B, C, and C sharp. All right, it'll be a little easier to draw this one, but you can see that A is going to play this A and the B, and then the slash is going to play the C and the C sharp. So it's going to look like this. A slash. That's all the right hand's going to do. A slash. A slash. Fast. Okay, so let's try this slow motion with our walk-ups and our walk-downs. This would be the next step. If you've learned how to play the right hand in D, you could do this one. So, just over in the glory land, I'll join the happy angel band. Just over in the glory land, just over in the glory land, there with the mighty host I'll stand. Just over in the glory land. Okay, so obviously that would take quite a bit of practice. I've kind of done the whole lesson all together, but that's an idea of what you'll find in book 2, is that each chapter goes through step by step of like, what is the key, what's the scale, what's the chord family, what are my inversions in the right hand, what are some left hand patterns, and it has charts for all of this. Okay, so if you're more of a visual learner like me, I always wished I had a book when I was learning this. That's why we made it. So this book is over 150 pages. The editor was like, wow, this is a really big one. But I wanted to make sure you had all of the copies of all of the charts. So I know in books when I've done stuff in the past, sometimes what they'll do is they'll put the chart for one key and they say, and you do the rest the same as this. But what I've done is I have put every walk-up chart in every key. I've put all the chord families in every key. So you have the pictures and you have the charts for all the keys. So if you want to check that out, it's going to be out by the end of 2025. We'll put a link down in the description so you can go check that out. And of course, we'll see you for the next one. Bye-bye.